Hi folks, this is Mary. I'd like to show you a Tiffin. This is a 2012 40 QTH. If you did find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Okay, look at this. This is top of the line. So this is a beautiful ride. It's just so nice and comfortable. These chairs are amazing. I do have to show you this. So cute. This is like very comfortable. And as you come in back here, it's like a hotel lobby. Look how beautiful and luxurious this is. We've got 3 TVs in this unit, and these opposing slides give you so much space. And then just look at the floor. Look how shiny this floor is. It's like you're walking on marble. As you can see, there's a little dinette here, extra space over here, lots of storage all around, and look at the amount of counter space that you have. And I will tell you that Tiffin, there's, you know, so much detail in all of these, beveled edges, and like just the work that is put into this unit. You can tell it's very high quality. Residential size fridge. And then let's come back here. You do have a corner shower, which is nice. And then you have a separate bathroom here. Beautifully done. Everything is just really well done in here. Then you have a king size bed. This also is a slide right here and a slide on this side. So you've got a lot of room. You've got storage, a dresser, TV right here. Huge closet area. Very, very spacious. And then you have a washer and dryer. Everything you need for an amazing trip. If you do want to come and look at this unit, please give me a call. My name is Mary. Call me at 406-850-4590. I'd love to help you with this unit or any other units that you'd like to look at on the lot. Thanks.